This is the MTU Introduction to Springer Nature workshop, your content and how to access it. My name is Karen McCormack and I'm one of the Deputy Librarians here at MTU. This presentation will follow the following format. I'm going to briefly go through how to access the content on the MTU Library website, a short introduction to Springer journals, and some information about the new 2024 Computer Science ebook collection. So we're delighted to add Springer to the MTU portfolio. It publishes some of the world's most prestigious journals and is a leading voice in scholarly communication. Springer Publishing was founded in 1950 by Bernhard Springer, a descendant of Julius Springer, who founded Springer Verlag in 1842. Springer Nature, as it is today, is part of a merger between Nature Publishing and Palgrave Macmillan. It's a leading provider of quality academic, scientific, technological, and medical content, as well as humanities research. To access Springer on the MTU Cork website, you scroll through the A to Z listing of e-journals on the MTU Cork campus site. There are two icons, one for Springer Compact, which is the journals collection, and the second for the Springer 2024 Computer Science ebooks. The Kerry website has the same format. You will simply go to the button S, and then you will see Springer Compact and a separate button for Springer 2024 Computer Science ebooks. The Springer Research Portfolio that we are accessing via IRL consists of Springer journals and some Palgrave Macmillan journals. Palgrave Macmillan is an imprint of Springer, so it's a trade name of Springer. The other package is, as I've mentioned, the Springer 2024 Computer Science ebook collection. IRL member institutions have access to approximately 2,300 scholarly journals. There's a deep backfile. The publications date back as far as 1997 and then on to 2024. We will also receive, if the subscription is terminated, post-termination access to articles published during the year 2024 and to all of the 2024 publications of the ebooks in the Computer Science collection. I'll go into that in more depth later, but by the end of the year, there will be over 1,300 ebook titles, which we will retain. Springer Nature journals. As I've outlined, Springer Nature journals portfolio consists of Springer and the Palgrave Macmillan collection. Some of the examples of the high-impact Springer journals are shown in the icons below, such as the Journals of Material Science and Analytical and Bioanalytical Chemistry. The subject areas: Science, Technical and Medical, and Humanities and Social Sciences. Palgrave Macmillan, some of the portfolio highlights: the Journal of International Business Studies and the IMF Economic Review. The Springer platform is called SpringerLink, and there's a number of different avenues for you to explore the collection. There is both browse and search functionality. So the first piece of functionality I will demonstrate is the browse, finding a journal via the A to Z listing. So you need to go to the top left-hand corner here, find a journal, and then there's an A to Z listing. If you click on any letter, you will see the list plus the number of publications, 232. If I search for the journal Silicon under S, it's in alphabetical order, I simply click here, and then I get a short overview of the journal, the publishing model, the editor's name, the impact factor, and other pieces of information, including the most recent or the set of downloads. You can also browse within this journal from here, viewing all volumes and issues. The other piece of functionality is browsing by subject area. Springer has put together and classified its key subject areas and disciplines in areas such as biological science, computer science, material science, and so forth. These will index all content, whether it is journals or books or other content related, such as conferences. So you scroll down and you go to the Browse by Subject button here. And as I've shown, there is the range of subject areas. So I'll choose chemistry. And if you check your screen, you can see chemistry is here. So it's showing you the facet chemistry is being chosen for you with a very high number of results. Plus, just note that it defaults in sort to the newest to the old, but you can change that if you wish. You can then, if I wish to just view the journals with chemistry as their key subject area, I can check the box and then update the results. I'm now reduced to 178, and my facet trail is showing that I've chosen journal plus chemistry. If I want to drill down further into a subdiscipline, I'll pick polymer sciences, update my results, check my facet trail, and it's all here. So it's a really, really nice handy feature. If I wish to remove a subject area, I simply click on it, and my result set changes. So the second main way to search is just via the search facility. Main search box here, I'm typing in acoustical physics. Returning a set of results. It's also a journal, and the journal will reach the top of the list by default. If I just want to look at articles about acoustical physics, I check that, and I'm now looking at those, and you can see again the facet trail. The journal article page looks like this. You can see citations, metrics, cite this article, and a handy feature on the right-hand side divides the article into figures if they contain them, references, citations, and the different sections in the article. You can download the PDF of the article as you wish. Advanced search. You may have noticed when I searched for acoustical physics, a message at the top of the screen. We're improving our search experience. I've highlighted here as we work to add all features. To check content or for advanced search, go back to the old search. So Springer Link, as it is now, is becoming a discovery platform, searching across aggregated content, but some of the features aren't fully functioning yet, and Springer haven't given us a date as to when it will be complete. But if you wish to use advanced search, you need to click on that, go back to the old search, and it will bring you to this page here. On this page, you go to the top corner and click on the right-hand side of the magnifying glass where you'll see a gear icon. That will bring you to advanced search. And that's what advanced search looks like. So the second part of the collection is the Springer 2024 Computer Science eBook collection. We're very excited about this collection. It includes perpetual access to the 2024 ebooks, DRM-free content, and access to living e-references, references that are still in production phase until the end of the year. I will just mention the Springer 2024 Computer Science eBook portal created in Cork and Kerry. So again, just to reiterate what I said at the top of the presentation, the systems librarians here have created a special link for the Springer 2024 Computer Science ebooks. So it brings you directly to that content without having to search via the Springer link platform, which I've demonstrated earlier. The same link is held in the MTU Kerry website. The link is a little bit unusual in that it returns a result set. Normally you see a blank box, but that is because it will give you the list of the entire set of books that have been published to this point in February 2024. So of the 1,300 or so, 329 have landed on the site. You can search within that box, and that search will allow you to search within this collection. The computer science ebooks have no digital rights management. They have unlimited concurrent users, and they give you ebook file formats both in PDF and EPUB. Some of the examples of the key titles are shown in the slide here. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, a best-selling textbook, 3rd edition, Embedding Artificial Intelligence and Statistics for Machine Learning. One of the textbooks is Natural Language Processing. If you wanted to use this textbook for your class, there will be unlimited copies available. And again, as I said, we will retain these after 2024, whether the subscription ends or not. So just to demonstrate this. So here's the section, the author, the table of contents, PDF downloads. If you note, the hardcover book would cost 81 euros. So the value of this collection can just not be estimated if you were to buy one for everyone in the audience, which is what this is giving us. I've chosen download the book in EPUB here. And that was a short shot of the ebook. So that ends the presentation.